Hello there, fam. It's been a minute, or more than a minute. Yeah, but I did post. First of all, let me say Happy Memorial Day weekend to you and the family. But what I don't remember is if it's if it's Canada's Memorial Day too. So leave it in the description, in the comments section. What's with me? Leave it in the comments, let me know. But happy Memorial Day to you, weekend. I know it's a long weekend and I go grill and have regular, but it's been a pretty good minute. You haven't seen me, and I did post on the cooking channel on my community page, asking you all to please go and watch all the videos, because we have been been going through a little thing. Some people have been asking if I'm okay. Yes, I am very much okay, thank the Lord Jesus. But we have, and you might be hearing a little echo where I'm right here, but that's how it is gonna go for now. So I just want to check in to let you know that videos are coming back to all 4 channels on a regular basis, like ASAP. So checking in with you and letting you know that I'm good. I've been just putting up shots, and even my Patreon people, if all of my patrons are here on my other YouTube channels. So I'm just taking this opportunity to say, yes, we're coming back with our Patreon videos. Don't be deterred. Everything is coming back, and it's going to be better too. Some people I say, oh, I miss the lives. Yes, maybe some live cooking, I don't know, but we'll address that live part in the future, near future. But I'm just checking in to say, how are you? How is the fam bam? And a lot of people been thinking if I'm okay, sent Mary videos. Yes, those are coming back too. Yeah, in life things happen and we gotta go through, we gotta do what we gotta do and everything, and all of them certainly. All of that, but gold time, they be there, I'm there. Yeah, I'm here. Been a lot, a mighty lot. But I just want to encourage you to stay strong. If you are going through a lot, and have been going through a lot, this is the journey of life. Things happen. Don't beat yourself too much. Stay strong. Yeah. And just take it easy. All in God's timing. Yes, so I'm okay. I'm not sick or anything like that. But just that I'm tired and I'm working extra too. And all of that. So real videos will be coming back ASAP. Remember to go watch our older videos. Some people are asking for the version of the bread video in the what's that thing there, the mixer. We have that video on this channel, on Debbie's Jamaican Family channel. That version of the bread is on there, where we did it in the KitchenAid mixer. Go watch it and check it out. Want to mash up your shoulder like me? Yeah. I know son I say, yeah, where you going to be got the Debbie? As the new look. After my new look, this big old lot. Comment and let me know if you like it. And remember to let me know if it is Canada's Memorial Day. I know there are 2 holidays that Canada and America celebrate. I am not sure if this is it. Just saying happy Memorial Day weekend to you and your family. Take it easy and go back, watch our older videos. Yes, if you want to request a special dish, yes, in the description of this and all my other videos and all my other channels, there is the link to everything: PayPal, Zelle, Cash App, you name it, to Patreon. There is also my Instagram link. Everything, hook me up. We'll be coming to reinventing our Zoom cook and vibe. Also, I must say, there is a Zoom cook-off that we should have done for Christmas. I've not forgotten about it, and I don't even know how I'm gonna get to the people, but I'll get to the people. I'll do what I'll have to do, and we'll get that Zoom cook-off done. So I'm just making this little video to let you know that I am good, I'm okay. I've been just doing some mountain climbing. Y'all know what I'm talking about. I've been doing some rock climbing, baby. I ain't got no boots, no clutch boots. I've just been climbing rocks with my hands and my feet. And it's really, I know it is taking a battering on me, but time is the master, all in God's timing. So you have a blessed weekend. Go over to the cooking channel, find some cooking, cook some nice Jamaican food, be blessed. And may I tell you, if you're going through something that you're saying, oh, when is it going to end? Trust God. Remember, I always encourage you to pray, and not stop praying, and trust God's timing. He'll take you out. If you're a good person and you've been going through a lot and you say, oh God, I just don't want to be good anymore, I just can't take it no more, continue being good, because your reward is coming. So it's just to tell you that I am okay, I am well, I am good. Okay, so videos will be coming back very soon, videos that you aren't expecting and all of that. So stay strong, stay blessed. Remember to support our channels. Remember to watch. Remember to leave us comments below. Remember to go back. We have almost 1,400 cooking videos on the cooking channel. Go back and check them out. And as you watch them, remember to leave me a comment below. Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you. Thank you all so much for your love and for your support. I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. And remember, stay strong if you go through anything. Be blessed at everything. Because look here, happy days are here again. Thanks once more.